Hey everybody, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. I am officially home from Vegas. My birthday month is officially over. I am 43 years old and I probably feel about 90, but especially after this last trip to Vegas. But today I have for you an unboxing. This is Therabox. Now, this is the May box. It came while I was gone. This box I've gotten before, and I decided to get it again. Oh yeah, this box is, hold on. After shipping, this box is $37.15, and I've gotten this box before. I really liked it, but I ended up canceling it and I decided to resubscribe. So you open the box and this is the first thing you see. And this is a lifestyle, kind of like a meditation, relaxation box. And I don't know, I really enjoyed this box in the past. So it's been a while since I've gotten it. It's looking a little different. So it looks like you get a pamphlet. I'm assuming it has, yes, so this does have inside of it all the products in the box. I open the paper and it looks like that. So let's see, the first thing I am pulling out here is Modern Skin Alchemy Hand and Body Cleanser. And it's lavender and mint. I'm gonna have to learn all over again how to record sitting in the bedroom. And let's see. Oh, and this box is organic, all handmade by smaller companies. So it does have a safety seal on it. So I'm not going to open it, but let's see. This retails for $18. The next thing I am pulling out here is Rosebuds and Pink Himalayan Salts Bath Soak. And it has a safety seal, so I can kind of smell it through the safety seal, but not really. So let's see, this retails for $30. The next thing I am pulling out is Sensitive Skin Neroli and Frankincense Face Toner. So the box looks like this, and it says spray directly on the face from 1 foot away after washing your face. So it's a face toner, it's an all-natural face toner. And I have my glasses on, so I will not be spraying it. Oh, but there's a coupon. It says enjoy $20 off on orders of $50 or more. And then the bottle is just this tiny little bottle. I'll spray it in the air and give it a sniff. It smells pretty good, and it's a really nice fine mist, so now I probably have spots on my glasses, but I like the way it smells. That's cool. Oh, and this retails for $27. The next thing I am pulling out is Bombshell Facial Cleansing Balm. And it also has a safety seal, so I will not be busting into that. I cannot smell it through the packaging. Let's see. And this retails for $42. Let's see if it tells me. An all-natural, organic, and vegan alternative to traditional cosmetic removers. That would certainly be an amazing addition to your skincare ritual. It does not say what's in it or like what the scent is or anything. So there is that. The next thing I am pulling out of the box is, ooh, Moroccan Magic. It's a lip balm. And it just fell out of the box. That's what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the lip balm looks like. And I'm not going to open it because it has a safety seal and I have a ton of lip products that are already open. But let's see, this retails for $3.99. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is a bookmark that says hello. And let's see. It's a magnetic bookmark, and it retails for $5. Oh, so that way it clips around the page. That makes sense. Oh goodness. Oh, there's some stuff on the bottom here. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Flowered Life Soul Salve. And it is also safety sealed, so I'm not going to open it right now. But this is, it retails for $7.49. Let's see, what is it? Skin care multitasking has never been this easy with the Flowered Life Do-It-All Soul Salve. You can use it on cracked, dry hands, eczema, burns, insect bites, small scrapes. Okay, so it's basically a healing salve. And you can put it on anything. So that's cool. All right. You know, I feel really out of whack being gone for so long and not sitting down in front of the camera. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out here is, it's an evening journal ritual, and it says bloom where you are planted, and it is a lined journal. And then it also comes with this. It says morning journal ritual. And then you kind of, I guess, you just write your daily routine, and then back here your evening routine. And this retails for, this had its very own page, and so it took me a minute to find it, but this retails for $18. And let's see, I will open this. Okay, so that's kind of cool. This is not paper. This feels, well, I think maybe it's cardboard underneath, but the outer casing feels kind of plasticky or rubbery. And okay, and so on the inside, it's just a lined journal. And it has little quotes, little couple of pages with some quotes on it. So that is nice. You are enough. That's sweet. Okay, cool. So that was Therabox, and I look forward to getting this month's box. I don't know. I like the box. I think it's worth the cost, and I don't know. I just think this stuff is great. So have a great day. Bye.